So ito pa rin po yung parallel channel natin. Remember, yesterday and last Monday, I was telling you na yung candle close nung Monday is good kasi green. Hindi nag-confirm yung possible breakdown sa parallel channel kasi green. And then yesterday, nung naka-live tayo, red pa to, pero hindi pa siya tapos. Kaya sabi natin kahapon, kailangan magpasikat yung bulls and ibalik niya sa loob ng parallel channel. Mukhang may nakikinig. Mukhang nakatambay na bulls. Ay, sabi ni Tito, kailangan daw natin bumalik sa loob. Ayun na, bumalik na nga po sila. So, congratulations sa mga hindi na shake out na yan. What's next for Bitcoin? So, this is an upward parallel channel. Actually, upward parallel channel usually breaks to the downside. Pero, hanggat hindi yan bumabasag at nagko-confirm pababa, there is a likelihood na tumulay-tulay siya dyan sa loob ng channel. And based on our chart, ito po yung top ng channel. Nasa around 99,100K, which also coincides to another SR flip area, also coincides to our psychological resistance. So you expect a profit taking near that area. Huwag ka na magtanong, huwag ka na magtaka, baka dyan ka pa ma-FOMO, pre. Dyan ka pa yung, uy, 99, uy, babasagin yung 100, all in ako. Tapos ang gulat ka, biniyasag yung parallel channel pababa. Kamot ito, anong gagawin? Nag-profit taking na po sila, umabot na dyan. Ikaw naman, na-FOMO, binenta nila yung shares nila sa'yo. So, huwag ka na magulat if ever umabot man dyan. Ano? So, you have to plan kung may position ka man ngayon and if you're planning to enter a position. So, if it breaks to the downside, ang target naman po nito, for me, parallel channel lang muna tayo, is the lower part of channel, which is around 91. And then, if you turn on our TPI system, yun may mga support na Okay, may mga support naman po yan. So, you have to enjoy this rally while it lasts.